Hello everybody and welcome to Caribbean Wayz, YouTube's newest Caribbean lifestyle and travel channel. I am Robyn Hall. If you've been following me at all, you know how much I love Jamaica. This has been such a difficult year with COVID, and Jamaica has done an excellent job of streamlining the process to get back to Jamaica. I did a video on the authorization process as well as the COVID requirements, and basically I walk you through the entire process. You get online, you do the authorization process, you get your COVID test, and you are off to Jamaica. You can check that out right here. Just before COVID happened, there was a new property in Jamaica that I was so excited to see, and I had planned on seeing it, and then COVID happened. Unfortunately for them, soon after they opened, everything had to shut down. So a couple of weeks ago when I was in Jamaica, I finally got to see this amazing property. This property is located about 30 minutes from the Sangster International Airport, and if you are planning on visiting this property, definitely utilize Jamaica's VIP attractions, VIP arrival and departure service in the Montego Bay International Airport. This service is amazing. They stand there and wait for you to get off the plane. When you get off the plane, they're standing there with a sign with your name on it. They whisk you through the customs and immigration line to your luggage, and then they take you to a lounge where you can get a cold beverage while you're waiting for them to secure your transportation, and then you're off to your resort. The resort I'm talking about today is Ocean Coral Springs in Falmouth, Jamaica. Once you take the short 30-minute drive to Ocean Coral Springs, this beautiful oceanfront property features a spectacular white sand beach with beautiful turquoise waters on the seafront of Coral Springs, in a bay surrounded by forests and mountains, offering large modern rooms, incredible pools, a water park and lazy river, gourmet dining, and more. Enjoy a true gourmet experience at Ocean Coral Spring, which offers a wide range of international cuisine-themed restaurants and bars, including La Locanda, which is an a la carte Italian restaurant, Secura Teppanyaki, Sugarcane, which is a West Indies a la carte restaurant specializing in delicious Jamaican and Caribbean cuisine, Route 66, which is an American a la carte barbecue restaurant, Martha's Market, which is the main buffet, the Privilege Lounge Dining Center, which includes a la carte breakfast. Thai Lai offers a la carte Indian cuisine. Mike's Coffee specializes in tea, coffee, and pastries, as well as smoothies and milkshakes. There is an ice cream shop with a wide range of flavors and toppings. Red Snapper Beach Restaurant and Bar featuring a la carte Caribbean flavors, and a snack bar where you can get grilled favorites poolside. In addition, room service is available so that you can satisfy your hunger without ever leaving your room. At Ocean Coral Springs, you can spend your days lounging on the beach or by the lazy river or one of the 2 pools on property. If you feel like being more active, there are numerous activities daily organized by the Blue Team entertainment staff, including beach volleyball, aerobics, bocce ball, and bowling. Guests also enjoy access to the water park and water sports, a diving center, multi-sport center, tennis courts, and more. At night, live music and shows keep the evenings moving, and you can show your best moves at the disco bar. The Daisy Club features a program of activities designed exclusively for children ages 4 to 12, led by a team of professionals and the mascot, Daisy. A teen club is also available with an extensive program of sports, games, and activities aimed at young people ages 13 to 17. The 513 individually decorated accommodations with 11 room categories ranging from junior suites to privileged rooftop junior suites feature balconies to afford space to spread out with a separate bedroom and sitting area. These elegant rooms with a spacious and luxurious interior design are equipped with all the necessary amenities for a true luxury Caribbean vacation. LED TVs come with cable, and guests are connected with free Wi-Fi. Beds are dressed in premium bedding and down comforters, and bathrooms offer rain showers, hair dryers, and toiletries. Privilege rooms and suites feature private check-in and check-out, unpacking service, laundry collection and ironing, jacuzzi preparation, and more. Privileged guests also enjoy access to an exclusive lounge, beach, and pool area. Ocean Coral Spring has a Despacio Spa Center, perfect for unwinding and pampering body and mind. This facility features a dynamic indoor swimming pool, jacuzzi, sauna, and steam bath, a relaxation area, massage service, personalized health and beauty treatment, and a hairdresser. There is a state-of-the-art gym equipped for strength training and cardio workouts available 24 hours, regularly replenished with water and fresh towels. Ocean Coral Springs has 4 conference rooms with natural light and equipped with everything needed for business meetings, wedding receptions, and any type of event. Speaking of wedding receptions, when it is your perfect day, at Ocean Coral Spring, they take care of every detail so that your celebration turns out exactly as you had dreamt it. In conclusion, if you are looking for an all-inclusive, family-friendly property in Jamaica for your next vacation, business meeting, destination wedding, or honeymoon, definitely check out Ocean Coral Spring Resort. Thank you for watching. If you find our content helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and ring the bell so that you'll be notified of future videos that we have coming up week after week. If you have a certain property that you would like us to highlight in the Caribbean, please leave it in the comments below. With Caribbean Wayz, we will show you the ways.